everyone, welcome back to FIXsage. Today I will show you how to unlock a hidden Windows feature called guard mode. It will give you access to 200 plus settings in one place. No need to go to task manager, device manager, control panel, settings separately. In this folder you can access all those settings in one place. So without further delay, let's start. First we need to create one folder on your desktop. So just right click on the empty desktop, new folder. After creating this folder, we need to rename this one. So right click on the folder, click on rename and rename with this name. I will give you this name in the description. Just copy and paste the enter. Once you rename that folder icon will turn to control panel icon. Just double click on that. See, all the settings will appear under this folder. Everything from device manager, admin tools, network settings, power options and more, all in one place. And if you want to pin this guard mode for quick access, just right click on that, select this pin to quick access. And if you want to add this to the start menu, again right click and click on this pin to start. How to remove guard mode? If you don't want to keep this guard mode, you can remove easily. It's a safe removal. You can simply delete the folder. Right click and delete. Any normal file we will delete. No, like that only we can delete this folder. No changes will stay on your system. It's 100% safe and reversible. That's it. Now you have unlocked the guard mode in Windows 11 system. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.